Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Have you not found that perfect swimsuit yet this year? Well, let me show you my version of the perfect swimsuit. This one piece is from Runtlly and I love this. First and foremost, the design. The one shoulder is so flirty and cute, plus you have this really unique mesh pattern. That's what originally drew me to it. It makes it so fun and unique, and I find that it's very modest. It's got a nice padded chest with removable pads if you don't want them. The back side is medium to moderate coverage. That's always important to me. It's very comfortable, and for me, it's true to size. I am about 5'5", 130 pounds, and generally I always wear a medium. This is a medium, and it fits me perfect. I get a ton of compliments on it. I feel good in it, and that's a big deal. So if you're looking for a fun and flirty one piece, this is where it's at. You're going to love it, and you're gonna feel confident. And that's my point of view.